Hi guys, I am Hitesh. Today I am here with this product which is ProfitGram, and what problem this product will solve. Actually, if you are email marketer or if you are running paid advertising, so you always know open rate in email marketing is only 8 to 12%, max to max 15%. And if you are running any type of the advertising, so you already look for the CTR, which is click through rate, and which is always low. Okay, and just because of that problem, this product is come in the picture, and just because of this problem, you can see the open rate will be 100%. I'm not guaranteed for 100%, but it may be 90 plus 80 plus percent, because it will be always greater than email marketing open rate. Okay, and always the CTR will be always higher. Okay, I'm just talking about paid advertising. Okay, where you look always for CTR, so it will be always better than that. Okay, and so many other features and functions are available. We will discuss each and everything. You can see all these features here on the back side. Okay, you can see here on the back side, at the bottom side, you can see all these features and function. We will discuss each and everything. Okay, and this is the functions, and when you will go through the link below, you will be able to read all these functions. Okay, some autoresponders is available. Okay, many people, this is your market, 2 billion plus people always come on the Instagram. That is why your open rate will be higher. Okay, and too much, actually too much things are available, but I already shared with you one main important thing, the problem this product is going to solve. Okay guys, so this is a little bit demo which we are going to just watch right away, and later you will be able to understand what will be inside this. Okay guys, so how actually you have to just import your Instagram account just like this. Okay, put your Instagram and username, and just you have to just add your profile. Okay, something like this, and it will take this type of the time little bit, and later you will be able to add your profile guys. Okay, that's how you can see here. Okay, so after adding your profile, you will start getting all type of functions like direct message, and even if you don't have contacts and followers and many things guys. Okay, so that's how you have to do this, and later you will see your this Instagram profile here. Okay, so you have to just accept all things, and that's how your profile will connected with this tool. Now you can see complete analytics. Okay, I will show you each and everything by doing myself, but I'm just showing you just because you can get some basic idea, and then you will be able to understand this product is going to fit for you or not. You can just schedule. Okay, this is schedule option. I will tell you each and everything guys. Okay, direct messages and each and everything I want to show you, so that you will be able to know this product is going to useful for you or not. Okay, some settings are available like comment and all these things. You can just limit your limit some access also. Okay, by the people, see follow, unfollow, direct messages and all these things. Okay, so just you have to click this. Actually this is for your profile. Okay, and even we will discuss with live demo, which I will do in front of you directly. But here are some options so you can see, because just because of some technical issue, we are not able to add our Instagram, personal Instagram profile. That is why I'm showing you this type of the option you will get. Okay, so that you can perform some autoresponder direct messages, even if you don't have some good followers. And see guys, something like this you will see. Okay, and these are some niche related accounts, I think. Okay, so you will be able to do all these things. You can do some blogs also. Okay, you can do some abusing words. You can do some blogs to the abusing words and all. Okay, that type of the options you are getting here guys. Okay guys, so I'm just coming back with our demo, and just go ahead right now. Okay guys, so here is the demo you can see, and I already told you what problem this problem product is going to solve. Okay, I just shown you a little bit demo. So these are some analytics which you can see. Okay, and from here when you click on publish, you have to just import your account. You have to add your Instagram account. and later you will be able to see this type of the dashboard. Let it load, guys. Photo, video, link, text, this all categories you are able to do this. This is anonymous, which is a demo account. Okay, you can just add your account through here. So I'm just trying to add my account. Let's see it work or not. Okay, if it will not work, we will go ahead with demo accounts. Okay, so you can see your Instagram profile here. You can add many profiles, guys, not only single profiles. You can add multiple profiles also, so that you can actually work in different niche, okay, by using this single tool. Okay, different niche, for example dog niche, for example cat niche, animal niche, internet marketing niche, MMO niche, make money online niche, crypto niche, something like that. Okay, so I'm just trying to add mine, but it's not giving access right now. But again, we will try this, and if it doesn't work, we will go ahead with demo account. So it is taking time, guys, you can see here. And if it will take time, we will go ahead with demo account. Okay, so I'm just clicking again. So let's see what will happen, because I already opened my Instagram account here. So I think it's not working right now, but no worry, guys, we will go ahead with another options, which is demo account. Okay, guys. So I'm just clicking on this publish all. So you will get this type of the options. You can just play around with this. You can put your message here. You can put your some file here. For example, I'm just showing you any type of the demo. So right now I'm just going with this one. Okay, I'm just going to add this one, and which you will be able to add. You can just directly see here. Okay, completely preview. Okay, guys, that's how you will understand how your post will look like. Okay, so you can see here, you can just directly add comment from here. Okay, you can directly put your some links directly in the comment. Okay, all these things here is scheduling option, so that people are actually paying for scheduling also. Okay, for Publer, for Hootsuite, something like that. You also don't need to do that, because you are going to get these options also here. Okay, and directly you can post now also. Okay, so for example, let's see some another functions. So this is publish function, all these things. Okay, let me show you training. If you go for training, so you will get each and every training inside this. So don't worry about that. If I left something, you can go ahead with other things. So this is post. I already told you this is post. Now some activities we will see. So again, you have to add account, but it's again not able to do this. Direct message you can do, some scheduling, some management, account management, and file management, all these things. So let's see this one, what is inside this. Okay, I clicked on training. So let me show you what trainings you are going to get. See, this is trainings, this some modules and each and everything, some articles also, each and everything you will see. Okay, so this is connecting Instagram. So right now I'm not able to connect my Instagram. So if you are not able to connect your Instagram, just go with this. Okay, just go with this. Each and everything is showing you, okay, how to do that, something like this. Okay, so right now if I will do this, so it will take too much time, guys. So I'm just showing you just for example. So from here you have to do, but okay, let me sorry for that, but I tried already many times, and let me try once more, guys, once more. So again, it is taking time, guys. So let me okay, let me just leave this option, guys. So when you click here on file manager, so these are some demos. Okay, but you can just go ahead with your upload option, and you can come with your own images, own post, and something like that. All these things are available here, guys. Okay, you can do all these things with your own. So you will be able to upload all these things from here, guys, and this will be your completely file manager. And this is actually too much simple, nothing inside that, but you will learn each and everything inside the trainings, something like that. Okay, this is some screenshots, but you can go for video option also, because if you get back again, so I can show you some, here are some modules. Okay, guys, so here are some modules, you can go with this and you can learn each and everything. Okay, guys, so I'm just taking some little type of the overview. And if I just, for example, okay, this is too much, pretty simple option, upload and something like that. And just see some more option. Actually, you will be able to direct message and all automation from here directly after import your Instagram accounts, but that is too much easy, not not too much difficult things. Okay, I just told you what solution you are getting here. Okay, for that problem which I already told you, something like open rate, CPA, CTR, something like that, you will be get some better and higher number than previous method. Okay guys, so this is group manager. So just I'm clicking on this. So let's see what is coming in front of you. So add new group manager, and what is inside this? So just click on this. Let's see what is coming in front of us. All accounts, group name, for example, dog lover. This is okay, dog lovers, and let's see what is coming. Drag and drop to the right to select, left to undo. Okay, it is after just importing our option. I think after importing your Instagram account, I think you will get this type of the functions and also some captions, so that you can put some different Instagram account inside your captions. Okay, so this is paste and all these things you can add new from here. So for example, I should go with this edit delete. So just click on edit and let's see what is coming in front of us. Okay, so nothing here. This is just for just typing and writing something like this. Okay, guys. So just going back again from here, you can see, and some captions and watermark. Let's click on this watermark option and we will see each and everything. So this is watermark option. If you want to put your own logo, so just create your free logo from internet, from Canva and something like that, and just put your watermark again. You can just delete and you can just upload. You can put some transparency, something like that. So if you put some transparency lower, so it will be transparent. And if you put this too much dark, so it will be dark. You can just increase little bit a size, something like this, you can see. Okay, so this, I think this size is okay. Okay, and transparency is like this type of transparency is okay. And just you have to just save this. Okay guys, so just like this operation, you have to perform all operations. Okay, for automations, for importing accounts and something like that. It is not difficult things, guys. And member access area always is not an important thing, guys. Okay, main thing is what functions you are going to get, what features you are going to get, and more important, most important is what type of the solution you are getting. Okay, what type of the problems you are going to kick just because of this tool and just because of this product. Okay guys, so this, if you will go through the link below, you can just read all these things. Okay, on after redirecting on one page, all these features you can see here you are going to get. Okay, 24/7 supports and something like that, all these things, no monthly fees, and actually many things are available here, guys. So let's come and meet my some bonuses, guys. So this is my bonus number one, which is Webby app. If you go through the link below, you will be able to see the power of this all bonuses. This is my bonus number, which is Webby apps, which is able to turn WordPress website into the fully fledged mobile app for both iOS and Android. So guys, this is my second bonus, which you can see, which is Vidpix, lets you place a buy button, opt-in forms, whatever you want, even videos on the top of your image. So example, this is my image. Okay, here at the corner, you can put this type of the things. Actually, this is call to action things. Okay, so call to action buttons, maybe whatever, maybe for checkout, maybe for opt-in, maybe for any type of the buttons. Now, this is bonus number third, which is link supremacy, which is able to provide you perfect balance of backlinks. Okay, backlinks is too much important, guys. Okay, okay, and this result you will be able to get. Backlinks is too much important, guys. Okay, if you are working on internet, if you are working in online industry, okay, so you might be thinking, what is this? So just go outside and you can just search about this, and later you can get back again here. Okay, now this is with promo page, guys. So what you will get inside this bonuses, this is my last bonus, you can see. So this is premium page builder, so that you don't need to put your Thrive Architect and different type of the plugins in your WordPress website to create landing pages, to create opt-in pages, something like that, whatever it can be. Okay, just because of this, you will get this feature directly for free as a bonus. If you click on any yellow button out of this, you will be able to get all these bonuses for free. I already pasted this option in this bonuses in with your purchase. So just you can go with blue button below your access your purchase button, and you will be able to get all type of these bonuses, guys. Okay, if I left something, guys, I'm sorry for that. Okay, because training access area is available for you in video format. You can see this is training access. Okay, guys, and just because of this type of the training, you will be able to learn each and everything. Okay, I can show you this type of the demo also, but I'm not doing that because it's not difficult thing. You can go ahead, you can just go ahead with this product, and you can take the solution, and you can enjoy all this type of services. Okay, guys, so we will meet later with another masterpiece. Till then, guys, bye.